Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 57 of 111 days verification challenge. Skill set which we are focusing on right now is communication protocols, and today we are going to see AHB protocol. Let's see today's question. The first question is you need to describe various input and output ports of AHB protocol. List out each input and output port widths if it is applicable, that this particular input port is of this much width and it can be from this width to this width. If some input port or output port has ranges of it, that also you can mention. And then what are the functionalities of these input and output ports? Understand it very thoroughly. Then the next question is you need to explain the working of AHB protocol. Explain with the help of diagrams, with the help of timing diagrams, with the help of state diagrams, whatever diagrams you can write to explain the working of AHB protocol, please use them and thoroughly understand this. Next, you need to explain the pipelining concept in AHB protocol. What is multi-layer in AHB? AHB multi-layer. In AHB protocol, we can have different types of transfer. You need to explain what is split transfer. Explain it with the help of timing diagrams. What is difference between split and retry responses in AHB? There can be different responses for the AHB. Some examples of that is split and retry. So what is the difference? When do you get split and when do you get retry? Just explain it with the help of, again, try to explain it with the help of waveforms, timing diagrams. Consider a situation that you got okay response. Okay response is a single cycle. Okay response is always a single cycle. Okay. But if you are getting error or split or retry, it is always two cycles. Why? This okay response, it means if the transaction is okay, it's just single cycle. But whenever you are getting some problem like error, split, retry, it is always two cycles. You need to explain the reason why. Again, try to explain with the help of timing diagram. Next, you need to explain the address space in AHB protocol. What is the frequency of AHB protocol? What is early burst termination in AHB? What is burst transfer? What is 1K boundary concept in AHB? How is RAP calculated in AHB? Now there is AHB protocol and there is AHB Lite. You need to tell what is the difference between AHB and AHB Lite. Previously, yesterday we had seen APB protocol. You need to explain the difference between APB and AHB protocol. And you need to tell why AHB is faster than APB. What is the use of AHB to APB bridge? First explain what is AHB to APB bridge, then explain what are the uses of it. Solve these questions today and you will clearly understand AHB protocol. If you solve these questions thoroughly, you can add AHB protocol as a skill set. So please solve these questions very thoroughly. You can try to search the solutions online, understand the concept and then solve. But please solve all of the questions and then move on to the next challenge, which will be day 58 challenge, which we will see tomorrow. Best luck for solving these challenges.